Hi guys, welcome to Nat 4, and we're multiplying a decimal by a whole number, and I'm going to show you a range of strategies, so let's have a look. Okay, so we've got 2.34 multiplied by 3, so that means 2.34 3 times. So if I look at it in terms of our concrete or pictorial, so I've got 2 units, so 2 whole, 2 whole numbers, I've got 3 tenths, so 1, 2, 3, and then I've got 4 hundredths, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And what it means to multiply it by 3 is you're really taking all that and you're really cloning it. So you've got it 3 times. So if I look at that now, if I circle, these 4 hundred, these 4 hundreds and these 4 hundredths, now we've got 4, 8, 12, 12 hundredths. 12 hundredths means that part of that could be exchanged, can't it? So if I took 10 of them, I highlighted 10, so there's 8, put them up, plus another 2, and 2. I could take those 10 hundredths and exchange it for 1 tenth. Okay, just clear that there to make it a wee bit easier. So I'll just put a wee line here. What's below is what we're looking at for this illustration. So then let's just count our tenths here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, look at that. We've got 10 tenths. So again, if I take these 10 tenths, put this one here, I highlight these 10 tenths, and I take them back up here, I could exchange them for 1 whole or 1 unit. Now let's look at what we have now. So 2.34 multiplied by 3 is what? So again, I'm just looking below this line from illustration, just above the lines, just my back where I get my stuff from. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it'll be 7 whole numbers or 7 units. There's no tenths left, so there'll be 0 in the tenths column, and there's 1, 2 hundredths left, so it'll be 7.2. Okay, so moving on, if we looked at repeated addition now, repeated addition is what I kind of showed you with the concrete blocks or the kind of pictorial method there. You're just repeating what you've got there. So put this line out. So you've got 2.3 and you've got 2.34, sorry, and you've got 3 of them. 2.34, 2.34. And you can basically just add them together. So 4, 8, 12, carry 1 up, 3, 6, 9, 10. Put your decimal point in, carry 1 over, 2, 4, 6, 7. I'm not going into this in a lot of detail because I assume you know what this means by now. Okay, the box method, I am going to partition really. It's very similar to the partition method, the 2.34 up. So I'm going to make this 2 whole numbers. I'm going to make this 0.3, and I'm going to make this 0.04. So 2 represents 2 wholes, the 3 represents 3 tenths, and the 4 represents 4 hundredths. I'm going to multiply each of them separately by 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 6. 3 multiplied by 0.3 is 0.9. And 3 multiplied by 0.04 is 0.12. Okay, and then if you were to add all of them together, again, you can set it up if you wanted. I'll just do it up here. 6, remember, 0.3, or decimal points have to line up with each other. You can put placeholders in here to make life a wee bit easier. The decimal point after the 6. We placeholder, another placeholder. People like to put the zeros in to make it a little bit easier. Add them up. 0 add 0 add 0. So 0 add 0 add 2 is 2. 9 add 1 is 10. So you put the 0 here, you carry your 1. You know what that means now. Decimal point in, and then again it's 7.02. Partitioning is really the same as the box method, it's just written slightly differently. So I'm taking the 2 whole, or the 2 units, and I'm multiplying it by 3 to get 6. I'm taking the 0.3, so 3/10, multiplying it by 3 to get 0.9, and I'm taking the 0.04 multiplied by 3 to get 0.12. And again, I'm going to add them up, very, very similar to before. You can put your placeholders in. And again, I'm not going to do that again because it's the same, 7.02. And then there's just the formal methods. So you start with your 2.34 and you multiply it by 3. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Carry your 1 up. 3 times 3 is 9. Add 1 is 10. 0 there. Carry your 1. Put your decimal point in. And 3 times 2 is 6. Add 1 is 7. Okay, that's several different ways of multiplying a decimal by a whole number. Just in the next slide, there's some questions for you to do. Give them a little try. And then you can speak to your teacher if you're not too sure. So I'll just flash them up now. And here they are. Okay, good luck. Thanks for watching. Thanks guys. Bye now.